Hello, kids! Welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today, we are going to learn something super exciting. Verbs! Are you ready? Let's go! A verb is an action word. That means it tells us what someone or something is doing. Let's say it together. A verb is an action word. Let's look at some fun verbs. Run, jump, laugh, dance, eat. Can you say them with me? Run, jump, laugh, dance, eat. Great job! Let's have some fun. I will say a word and you act it out. Ready? Jump. Clap. Sit. Stand. Wow, you're amazing! Now, let's use verbs in sentences. The cat runs. The girl jumps. Bella danced so well. The boy eat bread every morning. See, the verbs tell us what they are doing. Quick quiz. Let's try a quick quiz. In this sentence, the dog barks. What is the verb? Is it A, dog, B, barks? Yes, the answer is B, barks. The girl ran so fast. What is the verb? Is it A, ran, B, girl? Yes, the answer is A, ran. Now you know what a verb is. A verb is an action word. Keep practicing at home. Run, jump, play, and learn. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. Bye-bye. See you next time.